All right. Welcome back. It is Saturday, October 21st, 2023. I'm gonna put some work in on Bobby's car today. He brought the quarter panel over here last weekend. Driver's side full quarter panel, brand new in the box. Where we left off is this is all coated with that POR 15, POR 15, paint over rust. And we got it all trimmed out. I think they did pretty much everything. This side isn't as bad as the other side as far as the sail panel area. It's pretty solid. Roof rail's a whole other story, but can't really see too much. Box is in the way. Just got to trim up that door jamb a little bit, and this thing should be about ready to get fitted. Where we left off on this car is we got the other side. It's been a couple weeks. Pretty much the same as it was in the video. So that's the plan for today. We're gonna have a 4-man crew, and I think we can get this done, and we'd probably get it done before lunch. Honestly, we'll see. So bring you guys back once we get some work in. I got to move some stuff around.
So that's keeping it from going down. This.
What are y'all finding?
Pretty nice gap right here. It's supposed to be shut.
So it needs to come down a little bit.
Should put a little clamp here or what? You can climb this on the inside and see what it does.
It's got a pretty big gap up here again, like last time. Up here.
Yeah.
Oh, that's your place.
Little gap here, and I'll have a big old gap here. I think I know what it is. So.
This right here, this corner right here needs to be trimmed a little bit, and then it'll allow this to move in some. Right there where it goes in. Like you said, a little tab going down. I think that trim that and trim this little piece that we talked about.
Yeah, let's cut that little piece first. That way we can move it over a little bit.
Look at this one right here. This is what I was telling Bobby, that maybe this piece right here is hitting and it's not allowing it to go in. See, like a little tab going down, like a little extra metal right here.
Yeah. That tab should be under it. Shouldn't be hitting up right there.
Let me figure it out.
Yeah, let's cut that out. And then this little corner too.
Cut what?
Sit right here. Yeah, trim it a little bit.
Then it can go in more.
Should.
Right here. This notch should go in more.
Alright, let's take it back out.
It's almost 11. I'm getting hungry already.
Is that an angle?
No, I'm gonna cut a little square out. I'll cut it when you bring it a little closer.
We're gonna go right here and cut this?
Look at the paint, it all over. Look.
On that,
What kind do we use? This one? Or we using this?
Those things ready to go on, huh? Ready to weld?
I'm going to.
Do it.
You gonna use the small one?
No, you can use them. That's up here because it was wider up here, but you might need more.
But you probably fit it in.
Well, I mean, I think
Yeah.
it'll go in further.
Oh, I clamped this one. I thought y'all were clamped over there. What's up? You want me to clamp that on the inside?
This one right here, I think.
What y'all doing? Had to wallow the hole out?
Yeah.
Did it fit now?
Yeah, he's bringing the gasket. You just gotta cut that center section.
Huh? Oh yeah. Hold on, let me cut the fan off. So we had a comment on the last video. Guy had said that we need to leave the E coat on and paint. I guess basically leave this on as a base coat or a protective coat. And I disagree. I think this whole thing needs to come off. All this E coat needs to come off. Yeah, it all needs to come off and get down to bare metal. And then you can put products on that you know work, because this is why.
Check to see if it matches,
So that's got corrosion already coming through the E-coat. So it's not on the outside of it, but it could be if it was already there on the bare metal, and it's going to eventually grow till it does reach the outside. So that's why the E-coat has to come off. Right, Bobby?
Yep.
Yep.
Where's that,
You see all that corrosion in there, man?
Yeah.
You want to paint on top of that, and then it comes back in 2 years?
Some metallic paint.
That's what it looks like. It's got brown metallic right there. So the quarter's on? What's else? What else is left? Just the front?
Hey, so how did the factory do it then? Did they put an E-coat on it?
I don't think E-coat was around back then.
Oh, okay. That makes sense. Explain, man. I mean,
I don't know. I mean,
the factory knew what they were doing, right?
arguably, yeah.
Okay, so he'd have to go up against the engineer.
Hey Johnny,
Yeah.
Move it.
Yeah.
you want to take it off and put this on there first?
Take it off? Oh, okay. Yeah.
I thought it was a boat, but it's not a boat. Two-tone.
Two-tone?
Nah.
That's what's up. So what'd you do, Bobby?
Like a creamsicle?
Yeah.
Same thing as that side.
Yeah. Oh, he's from the north side.
Did it just fall in place?
It was easier than the other side.
It was easier?
Yeah.
Why?
We still gotta do like a little bit of trimming here. Line this up.
Yeah, I see that.
You know, we still gotta line up the door. A little bit lower here.
Oh yeah, a little bit.
Well, we put this on and put the antennas.
Did you already order this center?
Couldn't find one. So you're gonna have to make it.
Oh yeah. And we need one of these. If anybody watching, driver's side taillight pocket. Trunk needs adjusting, huh?
A little bit.
A little bit. Too much. Antennas are on. Skirt fit good? Repop skirt? So both quarters are on now. New floor, new quarters,
New rockers.
new rockers.
You gotta grind that.
Yeah, firewall. It's getting there. It's getting there. What's next? All the little spots. What you think, Johnny?
I like it. Be nice.
What color did you say you wanted, Bobby?
Huh?
What color did you say you wanted?
It's gonna be painted.
All right. So that's this week's video. Bring you guys back next time. Still got to address the roof rails and all these little spots here and there. Y'all stay tuned for more work. Thanks for watching.